Good morning, everyone. This is Sassy Saving Mimi from Mimi's Abundant Life, and today I have a great, cool cucumber salad to make. To show you how to make, it's very easy. It only needs minimal ingredients, which most people have in the house. But before we get started, I want you to click that subscribe button. Tap the bell to get all my latest updates, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment too. You can do all three if you like. It would really help me out. Okay, so let's get started. This is called jajeek. This is an Armenian or Arabic Middle Eastern cucumber salad with, like I said, minimal ingredients. What you want to do is take your favorite non-fat plain Greek yogurt. I prefer Chobani. It has less sugar. It has the most wholesome ingredients, nothing added, and it really is a great yogurt. Okay, so you just want to put some of that in a dish or a bowl. For video purposes, I'm just going to, to save a little bit of time, I'm going to use some jar crushed garlic. I just put about a teaspoon of that. And I went out, you could use dried dill, or fresh dill if you like, which is kind of expensive in the stores. So I just went out to the garden just now and I picked some fresh dill. Now some people can like to add a little bit of mint to it. This is supposed to be a very thirst quenching salad for a hot day, so that it will go pretty good. So you just want to get all the leaves off your dill stalks. Okay. All the little dill. This is the first time I ever grew dill. I tried it a few times. It didn't come out. It's like the easiest thing you can grow. Don't ask me how it didn't come up, but it didn't. But I am a little more seasoned gardener at this point. So you add this to it. You're going to give it a good stir so you can see how it looks. You can, like I said, you can use dry dill. Mint is a good addition or substitution for the dill. Okay. And you're going to add cucumbers. I keep mine all diced up ahead of time. It keeps it fresh. Okay. We're having a little Middle Eastern dinner tonight, so this is going to go really well. One thing you want to do is make sure that you get all the moisture out of the cucumber before you store it, okay? Or before you even add the yogurt to it. Okay. And this can stay a couple of days, as long as the yogurt is okay. It is okay. Some of the juices that remain in the cucumber will come out into the yogurt, which we call madzoon. Okay. And this is great with some pita bread. I'm making some stuffed grape leaves with rice. And I might make some bowl of pilaf. I'm not sure. But this is what it looks like. It is really, really good. You can add a little salt and pepper if you like. I don't. But you can if you want. That is a phenomenal classic cucumber salad. I hope you folks enjoy the recipe. If you make the salad, leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought of it. Please, again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hit that bell and you'll get all my latest videos. I hope everyone has a blessed day. Stay cool wherever you are, especially the Midwest. We're praying for you. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful day. God bless.